Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to learn how to sync your WhatsApp contacts on your Android so that all of your saved numbers appear instantly inside WhatsApp. So let's just get started without any delay. For that, you can directly open up the settings application on your device, tap on it in order to open it up. Once you open it up, you can just go ahead and scroll down and go to the section for apps or application, find it up and tap on it. And once you go over here, you can find and tap on WhatsApp from the list of application, or you can use the search bar at the top, tap on it, and there just go ahead and type in WhatsApp and select it. Once you select WhatsApp from the list of application, what you need to do is tap on permissions, just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on permissions, all you gotta do is go ahead and allow contacts. So tap on contacts from the list and set it to allow. If it's not on don't if it is on don't allow, you can select the option for allow, and that should allow the changes and grant contact permission to WhatsApp in your Android settings. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and refresh your WhatsApp contacts for once, and that will also sync WhatsApp contacts, and that's it. Also, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp from the Google Play Store, and you can even add contact manually within WhatsApp by tapping on this plus option, and that's it. So therefore, that is it. If you want to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android, this is it. You may follow up this method. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.